AI in customer support. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for AI in customer support, beginner-level introduction. AI in customer support means using artificial intelligence to help businesses interact with customers, solve problems, and provide assistance automatically. Customer support is essential for answering questions, resolving issues, handling complaints, providing product information, supporting users. Traditionally, human agents handle support. AI improves this by making support faster, smarter, and available 24/7. Examples include chatbots answering customer queries, voice bots handling calls, automated email responses, ticket classification systems, sentiment analysis of customer feedback. This topic helps beginners understand how AI enhances customer experience and support systems. It introduces key concepts such as natural language processing, NLP, automation chatbots and voice bots, sentiment analysis, decision systems, workflow automation. What is AI in customer support? AI in customer support is the use of intelligent systems to automate and improve customer interactions. In simple words, AI in customer support equals using AI to help customers quickly and efficiently. A beginner view includes chat-based support, voice-based support, ticket management, automated responses, sentiment detection, issue resolution. Why AI in customer support is important. Customer support challenges include high number of requests, long waiting times, repetitive questions, human errors. AI helps by providing instant responses, reducing workload, improving accuracy, operating 24/7, enhancing customer satisfaction. Basic areas of AI in customer support. Area purpose. Chatbots handle text-based queries. Voice bots handle phone calls. Ticket classification, categorize support issues. Sentiment analysis, detect customer emotions. Automated responses, provide instant replies. Knowledge-based systems, provide answers from stored data. Customer support data, ticket, equals, issue, login problem, priority high, sentiment, frustrated. Example of AI decision issue, login. If issue equals, login, print, send password reset instructions. Simple AI customer support example, Python, message equals hello. If message equals hello, print, hi. How can I help you today? How AI in customer support works. Step 1. Receive customer query. Query equals I can't log in. Step 2. Understand the query. NLP. If login in query, print, login issue detected. Step 3. Decide action. Print, providing troubleshooting steps. Step 4. Respond to customer. Print, please reset your password. Password. Step 5. Escalate if needed. Complex issue equals true. If complex issue, print, escalate to human agent. AI in chatbots. Chatbots provide instant responses. MSG equals refund. If MSG equals refund, print refund process started. AI in voice support. Voice bots handle calls. Print, how can I assist you today? AI in ticket classification. AI categorizes issues. Issue equals payment. If issue equals payment, print, assign to billing team. AI in sentiment analysis. AI detects emotions. I am very unhappy. If unhappy in text, print. Escalate issue. AI in knowledge-based systems. AI provides answers from stored data. Question equals how to reset password. Print. Answer. Use reset link. Full menu-based customer support example. Deaf chatbot. MSG is input. Enter message. If MSG is hello, print hi, how can I help? If MSG is refund, print refund process initiated. Else, please provide more details. Def, classify ticket. Issue equals input. Enter issue. If issue equals billing, print assign to billing team. Else, print assign to support team. Def, sentiment analysis. Text equals input, enter message. If angry in text, print escalate to human agent. Else, print handle normally. While true, print N1 chatbot. Print 2 classify ticket. Print 3 sentiment analysis. Print 4 exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, chatbot. Elif choice equals 2, classify ticket. Elif choice equals 3, sentiment analysis. Elif choice equals 4, break. Else print invalid option. Concepts learned from AI in customer support. Check. NLP fundamentals. Check. Automation. Decision-making systems. Sentiment analysis. Workflow integration. Real-world AI applications. Real-life analogy. AI in customer support is like a smart help desk assistant. It can listen to customer problems, understand issues, provide solutions, escalate when needed. Ways to improve a customer support AI project. Use advanced NLP models, GPT, BERT. Add multilingual support. Integrate CRM systems. Build conversational flows. Use real-time analytics. Add personalization. Use voice plus chat integration. Improve intent detection. Common mistakes beginners make. Assuming AI understands everything. Ignoring customer emotions. Poor chatbot design. Not handling edge cases. Over-automation without human fallback. Where AI in customer support is used. E-commerce platforms, banking systems, telecom services, healthcare support, travel companies, IT support desks, SaaS products, retail businesses. Large systems may include conversational AI, voice assistants, ticketing systems, analytics dashboards, workflow automation. Simple definition. AI in customer support. The use of artificial intelligence to automate and improve customer service interactions. Final summary. AI in customer support helps businesses provide fast, efficient, and intelligent service. It enables instant responses, 24/7 availability, reduced costs, better customer satisfaction, scalable support systems. By learning this topic, beginners understand how AI powers modern customer service and engagement systems.